adventure. Hooray! Let's play!
Who could we be today? What could we do? I'd like to drive a racing car or fly to the moon. I could be a firefighter, a farmer or a vet, a knight in shining armor, or I could be a chef.
Let's play! Let's play! Let's have an adventure today! Let's play!
Oh, a whole night's sleep and I'm still really tired.
Good morning, my very good friend Sydney.
Oh.
Welcome to Rebecca's House of Pancakes.
Hey?
Rebecca's House of Pancakes is where you want to be. All the pancakes in the world with a lovely cup of tea.
Oh, it's way too early for this.
Yummy, scrummy pancakes.
All right, what's all this about pancakes?
Well, I woke up this morning and I really felt like a pancake. So I've got all kinds of toppings. Blueberries, bilberries, strawberries, raspberries, golden syrup, maple syrup.
Does sound quite tempting.
Or Rebecca's House of Pancakes special of the day.
I'll have the special of the day, please.
Coming right up.
Ooh, yum.
OK, flour, milk. No eggs. I'm going to need eggs to make my special pancakes.
You can't make your special pancakes without eggs. What? But I really want a pancake now. All I can think about is pancakes. You're beginning to look like a pancake.
Oh, sorry, Sid. No can do. And I really wanted a pancake too.
Oh, hold on, Rebecca. It's time.
Great! It's time to play!
Whose turn is it today?
Let it be me!
Let it be me.
Me!
Me. Let it be me.
Let it be me.
Let it be me!
Let it be me.
Let it be me. Let it be me. I really, 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 really hope that it's me.
Let it be me.
Let it be me. Let it be me. I really, 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 really hope that it's me. Could it be me?
Could it be me?
It's me! Yes, it's me. I'm really, 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 really happy. It's me! Look, there's the dressing up room.
Let's play!
This is really exciting. Let's find out what we're playing today. Whoa, so I've got a cowboy's hat, a footballer's kit, and diver's flippers. Well, I'm not going to ride a horse playing football in the sea. Let's try something else. And what have we got on now? A flat cap, a waterproof jacket, and welly boots. So what are we playing today? I know, we're going to play farmers and work on the farm. And what do we need to know?
A farmer knows lots about the animals on their farm and how to look after them. A farmer knows most chickens have a pecking order and they will follow the leader. Farmers use sheepdogs to herd sheep by teaching them special words. Say, walk up, and the sheepdog will approach the sheep. Say, come by, and they'll run around the sheep. Pigs will run around in all directions. So if you need to move a pig, give them only one way to go.
OK, so that's what we need to remember. Do we need anything else? Ooh, I wonder what this is. A bit of metal. I guess it'll come in handy. So we've got everything we need. Let's go.
Let's play!
Hey, Rebecca, can you guess what we're playing today?
Are we playing barn dances?
No, I'm a farmer.
Oh, of course! Oh, you'll have a really good time. And when you get back, Rebecca's House of Pancakes will be in full swing again.
Why, did you find some eggs?
No, but I've had a brilliant idea. I'm going to make the pancakes with milk and flour.
Looks very tasty.
I think I need to mix it a bit more.
Well, good luck with that.
And good luck with being a farmer, Sid.
See ya.
Bye.
Let's play!
Come on, let's play farmers. Whoa! Yes! Right, so where are we? Looks like we're in a field in the country. Ah, smell that lovely morning air. Oh, I think there's been a bit of a storm. This fence has blown down. And it must have been raining because it's very muddy. Oh, I think there's a farmhouse over there. Let's find out what's going on. Ah, here we are. A farmhouse. Whoa, a chicken.
Oh, excuse me. Have you seen a chicken?
Oh, yes, they're about this big. They have feathers. And they move like that.
No, I mean, have you seen a chicken run this way?
Oh, yes, it went that way.
Oh, great, thanks. Hang on, who are you?
Oh, I'm Sid. I'm a farmer.
Are you? Oh, marvellous. You might be just the person I need. I'm not a farmer. I'm only here for the day looking after my uncle's farm while he's away. And we've got a school party coming to visit.
Oh, how lovely.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't. Why isn't it lovely?
Because there's been a storm last night and the whole place is a complete mess. Fences broken down, animals running everywhere. I'm going to need some help.
Oh, I'll help you tidy up. When will the children be here?
In 1 hour.
We better get started.
Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, it's my uncle, the one who owns the farm. Hello, Uncle Harry.
Hello, Wendy, my lovely. Just checking everything's all right for the farm open day.
Oh, yes, Uncle Harry. Everything's fine. Just a few little things to sort out.
What's that noise?
Noise? Oh, nothing. Just, oh, the chicken's getting a wee bit excited about the children coming. Everything's under control.
Oh, that's marvellous. Well, I hope the kids have a lovely time.
I'm sure they will. Bye.
Goodbye.
Right, we need to get the chickens back in the coop, the sheep in the pen, and that pig back in the sty. And pronto.
Right. Oh, I think we better start with the chickens.
Chickens, right, let's get on with it. I'll clear up the mess and you get the chickens back into the coop. Get Clucky first.
Right, Clucky. Here, Clucky, Clucky, Clucky. Clucky, Clucky, Clucky. Here, Clucky, Clucky. Excuse me?
Yes?
Which one's Clucky?
The one that keeps clucking.
Oh, right. Should have guessed. Here, Clucky, 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 Clucky. Time to go back home. Clucky. Oh, no. Where's that gone? I'll get that one in a moment.
Try Pecky.
OK, which one's Pecky?
The one that keeps pecking.
All right, leave it to me. I will catch it. Pecky, Pecky, Pecky. Pecky, come back here. Pecky! Here, Pecky, Pecky, Pecky. Pecky, 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 Pecky. Oh, no. I couldn't catch it.
No, what are we going to do? The children will be here very soon, and we still haven't got the chickens back into the coop.
Oh, no. This is very bad. I'm not much of a farmer. If I can't even catch some chickens, how am I going to get them back? Oh, hold on. I remember. Do you? Most chickens have a pecking order with the leader at the top. We need to find the leader, and then maybe all the rest will follow. We need to find the leader. Which one's that?
Easy. That's Flappy.
OK, which one's Flappy?
The one that keeps...
Yes, yes, I'm ahead of you. OK, that one seems to be flapping a lot. Here, Flappy, Flappy. Oh, doesn't seem to want to move. How am I going to get it down?
Maybe try some birdseed?
Oh, might work. OK, here we go. Here, Flappy, some birdseed. Whoop. Here we are. Ah, yes, that seems to be working all right. Now to get it back to the coop. Here, Flappy, Flappy. Yes, it's coming. And so are all the others. Here, Flappy, Flappy. Come on, then. Keep on coming, that's it. And the others. Here, chicky, chicky, chickies, that's it. Come on, then. In you get. 3 chickens back in the coop. Birdseed, that's what gets them moving.
Well done, Farmer Sid.
Thanks, Wendy. So, what's next?
Well, now we get the sheep back in the pen.
OK, how do we do that?
Well, we've got a sheepdog.
Ah, that should do it.
Let's play.
Sid, meet Bobby.
Hello, Bobby the sheepdog. I'm Sid the farmer.
Right, Bobby. The sheep are over there, and they need to be in the pen over there.
Bobby, sheep into the pen. Bobby, sheep, pen. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. He's not going.
Bobby, sheep into the pen. again.
Whoa! She's good at that, isn't she?
That's a good Bobby. Well done.
Oh, he's got them all moving in the same direction, all right.
Yes, but where's he taking them? Bobby? Bobby, no, naughty Bobby.
Oh, into that pond, Bobby! Oh, no! Where are they going now? That house over there. Is that your uncle's place?
Yes.
And haven't you left the front door open?
Yes.
And into the house they go.
Oh, no, the nice clean carpets.
Oh, dear.
You bring those sheep out of the house this instant.
Bobby! Sheep! Out of the house! It's supposed to be a sheepdog. It's not doing anything we say.
The phone. It's Mrs. Trump, the school teacher of the party that's coming to visit. Hello, Mrs. Trump. Yes? Oh, great. Wonderful. Really? Brilliant. OK, bye. Disaster.
What?
They're on their way.
And the sheep are in the house.
And the pigs are in the garden.
What are we going to do?
Let's play.
Right, the good news is the sheep are out of the house.
Great.
The bad news is they've run into the field.
Oh, no. What is Bobby doing? What should we do?
I don't know. I don't know how to get him to behave. I'm not a farmer. But hey, you are.
Yes, but he just won't listen to me. Look. Bobby, bring the sheep back. See?
Oh, surely you can do something.
Oh, I don't know. How do I get Bobby to do what I tell him? What should I say? Hold on. I remember, do you? Farmers use sheepdogs to herd sheep by teaching them special words. That's it. We need to use the special words. Of course. So what are they? Oh, yes, they say walk up when they want them to approach slowly. Walk up, Bobby. Walk up. Yes, it's working. The sheep have stopped, and they're looking at him now.
Great.
What's next? Oh, yes, they say come by when they want them to run around the sheep. Come by, Bobby. Come by.
Oh, look, he's doing it.
Yes, it's really working. Come by, Bobby. Come by.
They're going into the pen.
Great. He's got them in. Quick, let's go and shut the gate. Whew. Well done, Bobby. What a good sheepdog. I should have just given him the right words in the first place.
Now let's get the pig back in the sty.
Great idea.
Let's play.
Wow, look at this mess.
Oh, it was quite a storm last night. These hay bales have blown all over the field. Now, where's that pig? There it is.
What's her name?
Higgledy.
Okay. Come on, Higgledy.
I don't know much about farming, but I'm pretty sure pigs don't just come when you call them.
Oh, right. Well, stand back, Wendy. I will catch this pig.
OK, Sid, you go for it.
Come on then, Higgledy. That's it. Stay where you are. Oh, where's it gone? There it is, over there. Shh. Higgledy. Oh, no. Now it's over there. Higgledy. Oh.
No luck, Sid.
No, that pig's way too fast for me.
Look over there. The school bus. The children are almost here.
Oh, no. And Higgledy's still running around.
Do something, Sid.
I don't know. How do I get the pig back into the sty? She keeps running around everywhere. Oh, I know. I remember. Do you? If you need to move a pig, give it only one way to go. That's what we need to do. We need to make a path that she has to go down.
But how?
We'll use the hay bales. We'll make a line and chase Higgledy down the middle.
Brilliant.
Okay, let's start moving him to place.
Too heavy.
Let me try that one.
Still too heavy.
We're never going to move these into place. Hold on. That tractor. We'll use that to drive them into place.
Brilliant.
Right, we can get the tractor to the bales, load them onto the trailer, and then drop them into place.
OK, great. Well, you can drive.
Great!
Oh, no.
What?
They're not joined together. The tractor and the trailer, they need to be hooked up.
Hooked up?
Yes, there's meant to be a metal pin here, a drawbar, that joins them together.
Oh. Oh, that metal pin. Does it look like this?
Yes, that's it.
I knew this would come in handy. There you go.
Great. OK, you get into the tractor and I'll hook it up.
Righto.
OK, Sid, back a bit, back a bit, back a bit more. That's it. Stop, switch it off now. Right. Now the tractor's attached to the trailer.
Great, which means we can now get those bales into place.
Brilliant.
Oh, this is so exciting.
Let's play.
Great, we've done it. A one-way street to the sty.
Phew. Oh, and the children are here.
OK, I'll go and say hello, and you get Higgledy into the sty.
Right. Oh, I get the easy job then. There's Higgledy. Shh. That's it, Higgledy. That's it. Keep moving. Forward. That's it. Go on, Higgledy. All the way into the sty. Yes, Wendy, we did it.
OK, children, just wait at the gate. I'll be there in a minute.
Look.
Oh, well done, Sid. Higgledy in the sty.
Yes, we did it. The chickens are in the coop, the sheep are in the pen, and the pig is in the sty.
Yes.
Whew. Well, that's all the animals in the right place.
I can't thank you enough, Sid.
Oh, it was no problem at all. It was brilliant fun. And we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Most chickens have a pecking order, and they will follow the leader. Farmers use sheepdogs to herd sheep by teaching them special words. Come by! And if you need to move a pig, give them only one way to go. That's it.
The kids are really going to enjoy their visit. Uncle Harry will be so pleased.
Well, I'm glad. Oh. And I think it's time we went home.
Oh, but before you go, I've got something to give you.
Oh, eggs. How lovely.
Yes, Clucky laid them. Or Pecky. Well, one of them anyway.
Well, thank you very much. I know someone who's going to love these. Bye-bye, Wendy.
Bye-bye, Farmer Sid.
Let's play.
So I was shouting what to do, and the sheep were being herded into the pen. It was a lovely sheepdog, really.
He sounds great.
So how's it going with Rebecca's house of pancakes, then?
Well, I just can't make my special pancakes without eggs.
This does not look like a pancake. Looks more like a lump of goo. But don't worry, I have brought you some eggs.
Oh, great. Thanks, Sid. Now we can have pancakes after all.
We sure can. Playing farmers was great fun. What do you like to play?
Let's play.
When I play mermaids, I swish around in the water like this. Playing the cowboy in the Wild West is fun. Yee-haw! I love playing ambulance drivers. My siren sounds like this. Nino, Nino, Nino.
It's fun to play. Start playing today.
Let's play.